In this week's episode, we received this car from a client who wants the seats re-upholstered. He also wants the floor carpet to be replaced with a new carpet. In the video, we are also making a bedroom headboard, and later on I'm baking a baby shower cake. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Megs and this is Dave. We are a couple. We do crafts and lifestyle content. The car seats are now done and the floor is also done. It has been replaced with a new carpet. They are going to clean it. They are going to take the car to the car wash. Now it's the other day. It's time to do the headboard. So the client bought her own fabric. This is the gray fabric that she bought. So we already did the framing. We put the board. We've put the foam and the decor. So now we are putting the fabric. So the design of this headboard is it's a buttoned headboard. It's going to have some buttons. So we're going to show you the whole process of how we put the buttons on this headboard. If you're liking the video, if you're enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, if you're enjoying this content, you can as well subscribe. Feel free to share this video with your friends, family. This is now the other day, and right here I'm baking a vanilla cake for a baby shower party. So immediately after I remove the cakes from the oven, I wrap them in plastic wrap and let them cool down whilst wrapped in plastic wrap like this. This helps to make the cakes moist. So if you want to leave your cakes moist, to make your cake moist, wrap them. And this is now covered in buttercream. It's blue and white buttercream, and I'm doing the decorating here, and the cake is done. So this is for a baby shower, and the babies, it's a boy. So I'm going to take this cake to the party. I'm actually invited to the party. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this baby shower cake. So now I'm at the venue of the party. This is the Rocks restaurant, on the Rocks restaurant in Cape Town. It's the name of the restaurant is On the Rocks. So this is the party. It was just a small group of friends. It was an intimate event, very nice, and yeah, we were just chatting, and we were having lunch. And after the lunch, we headed for the beach. It was around sunset, and look how beautiful the sunset is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.